Hello students, welcome to Shourabh Sir's classes. So in today's video, we'll solve a question from mathematical statistics. So in this question, it is given, let n numbers x, y, xn in decimal form be each approximated by the closest integer. If xi is the ith true number and yth nearest integer, then ui is equals to xi minus yi. Is the error made by rounding process. Now suppose that u1, u2, un are the independent and each is uniform on minus 0.5, 0.5. Now we have to find what is the probability that true sum is within a units of the approximated sum. So first we'll do the first one, and then it is given if n is equals to 300 terms are added, find a so that we are 95% sure that the approximated within a units of the true sum. So how do we do it? First I want you to read this question for a couple of seconds so that it will be there in your mind. You can get the question, then we'll proceed further with the answer. So in order to do this, first we have to write down the things which are given, which is say required probability, required probability, one to n, where xi minus yi is given. So now from here, this is less than equals to a, which is equals to p minus a less than equals to summation I equals to 1 to n ui is less than equals to a. So now we use Lindbergh Levy CLT for identical and independent distributions, random variables ui tends to u minus 0.5, 0.5 with expectation of ui equals to 0 and variance of ui equals to 1. So now we'll first answer the number 1 question. So the question number 1 will be like this. For question number 1, when probability is equals to 2 phi a root over 12 pi n, probability equals to 2 phi into a root over 12 by n minus 1, and for number 2 question it will be p equals to 0.9 sorry, P equals to 0.95 as phi a root over 12 by 300 is equals to 0.975. From there we get a by 5 is equals to 1.96 or a equals to 9.8. So we get the value of a to be 9.8. So if we had to find a, we have found it to be 9.8. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubts, I'll be giving you my number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shouravsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials related to mathematical statistics problem. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.